Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Shazam app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Shazam app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the Shazam apps on the screen. You can see the use button in the middle of the screen, so once you tap on it, Shazam gonna start recognizing the music or sound. So let me show you an example. And now you'll be able to see the specific music that you were looking for from here, and you can also see the lyrics by tapping on the lyrics icon at the top right corner of the sections on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you'll be able to read lyrics from here successfully. And if you want to turn Auto Shazam on, just long tap on the button and you'll be able to turn on your Auto Shazam successfully. And if you can see the 25% of the section just down below of this screen, simply drag it to the up, and in this section you will be able to see your recent Shazams and also your Shazam's library and concerts as well. And you can also customize your Shazam's feature by tapping on settings option in the top left corner of this screen. And if you want to search for any artist, songs or lyrics, simply tap on the search icon which is at the top right corner of this screen. So once you tap on it, you can search it in here manually. So basically this is how you can use Shazam app on your smartphone. And if you're still encountering an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.